Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys do, don't forget to let me know in the comments down below, and also don't forget to hit the like. And if you're new, hi, my name is Viviana. I'm a mommy to 4 boys and a stay-at-home mom. Hope you hit that subscribe button. So let's get on to the video, guys.
I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just.
So as you could tell by the sound of my voice, I am sick again. I don't know what's up. I feel like the cold and all that just loves being around this house, and my son actually felt bad today, so as you're gonna see a little bit later on in the video, I had to go pick him up from school, so I wasn't able to finish my whole workout. And I was going to record a little bit of my workout when the room cleared out a little bit, but by then they had already called me from school and I had to leave. So this is kind of me just picking up my house, what I do normally every day. You're gonna see that my kitchen and my living room didn't need any cleaning, only the morning dishes from breakfast, because this new year I wanted it to be more productive. I wanted to go drop my kids off at school, come home, have some breakfast, clean my house, either cook or head to the gym, and then come back and cook. And honestly, ever since they went back to school, it's been working out for me. My house has been tidy and I get to enjoy the afternoons doing whatever I like with them, and my house isn't messy. So instead of cleaning up at night, I clean in the morning now, and I just tidy up a lot in the night, and in the morning, like right after breakfast, it's not too messy. It's like been keeping up, you know, it's been working. It's like a system and it's works, so I'm very happy for it. And yeah, what are your guys' New Year's resolutions? Because that was one of mine.
Can get you off of my mind. Are you still thinking about me all the time? Come through and ask me out tonight. Call me, I'm waiting on the other line. I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I'm ready to open up my heart. You and me, it's gonna be a good one. Can we not pretend, just love? Can we be what we always dreamed of? I've been hurt before, lied and cheated on. Don't want this anymore. Now I just want you all night long. I've been
So here I'm showing you that it's clean there. The only thing was like some cereal fell under the couch from the morning, but everything else is nice and clean. So like I said, it's worked out for me doing it like this, and I'm very happy that I started being more productive in my mornings than at night, because by the time the night came, my house was just so messy and it would literally like just drain me, and I would get so frustrated. And in the kitchen, all I had was the coffee cup, my pot because I was gonna make a chicken soup, and my I think it was my gym water bottles that I take. Yeah. Okay guys, so I am back home. I was at the gym, but they called me from my son's school because Jacob, who's my 7-year-old, felt nauseous, kind of like how kind of how I've been feeling for the past days again. I've been sick again. I got sick again. It's like this cold is loving us. So I had to stop my workout, go get him, and now I'm gonna start cooking a chicken soup for all of us because I feel like we all need it. And then after that, I'm gonna go get my kid, my oldest one, from robotics. I took Adam out of school early too, so I didn't have to do like 3 trips. So yeah, now let's get cooking. Okay, so there I have a whole chicken that I cut up, and I put half of a onion and also a whole head of garlic. And now I'm gonna add some oregano, and I'm going to cover it. And I'm using my tamal pot because that's like the only big pot that I have for everything to fit when I put in the veggies. And I'm just gonna cover this and let this start boiling, and let it, like, once it boils, then I'll add the salt. So I also like to add some of this chicken seasoning. I ended up using 2 tablespoons of it. And then you just put as much salt, or you don't have to put that. You could just put all salt, or it's up to you. And it actually gives it a good flavor too if you add it though. And then I just added the veggies. These are the veggies that I had, so those are the ones I use. But normally, instead of cabbage, I like using napa now. And then also I love adding yuca, which is like a root. It's better than potato, honestly. I really like it, but I didn't have any, so I just used what I had. And this sauce here, me and my sister are obsessed with it. We literally put it in any kind of soup, pozole, anything. And it's oil with toasted chilies and garlic and salt. And it's so incredibly delicious. It literally changes any kind of soup that you're eating. And here's a little glimpse of my sister taking me out to dinner. We ate Korean barbecue. Oh my god, thank you guys. It was delicious. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one, guys. Bye.